Hi there, I'm Rachel and welcome to my channel. I'm someone who's passionate about a lot of things: photography, digital art, baking, technology, you name it. I run a local bake shop and cafe, and I also work as a full time project manager. It might seem like a lot, but this is what lights me up and makes me so fulfilling. If you're watching this, chances are you're multi passionate too. Maybe you've got a passion for painting and coding, or you're equally excited about cooking and fitness. Whatever it is, I'm here to tell you that it's okay. Not just okay, but it's amazing. We live in a world that often tells us to pick one thing and stick to it. But I believe that being interested in many things is a blessing. It means we get to enjoy so much of what life has to offer. Take baking, for example. It's one of my biggest passions and it's also my business. But baking isn't just about making bread, it's about creating something from scratch, experimenting with flavors, and sharing joy through food. It's one of the ways I express my creativity. And then there's photography. I love capturing moments, especially the people around me and the places I visit. Photography lets me see the world in a different way and appreciate the details of my chosen subject. And digital art, it's another form of expression, a way to bring my imagination to life. I do enjoy creating portraits, and it's also a space where I can combine my love for technology with my love for art. Now, I know what you're thinking. How do I manage to do it all? The truth is, it's not always easy. It takes time, energy, and a lot of juggling. But here's the thing: it's not about being the best at everything, it's about being the best version of yourself. It's about living a life that reflects all the things that bring you joy and fulfillment. Not everything you love has to be a career. Some passions are just for you to enjoy, to learn from, to bring balance to your life. For example, I run a bake shop, but I also work full time as a project manager. These roles fulfill different parts of me. One feeds my creative and entrepreneurial spirit, and the other challenges me intellectually and keeps me connected to the world of design and technology. And then there are passions that are just for fun. Like for me, photography and digital art. These are the things I do because they make me happy, not because I'm trying to be the best in the world at them. And that's okay. I'm not the best photographer and the best digital artist out there. I'm still in the process of learning, and it's important to have things in your life that bring you joy, even if they never make you money. Well, I'm not saying I won't ever make money doing photography and digital art. It's something that I truly enjoy, even without thinking of earning money from it. So I want to encourage you to embrace your passions, big and small. Don't feel pressured to fit into one box. You're allowed to be a baker and a photographer, a coder and a painter, a cafe owner and a tech enthusiast. The goal isn't to excel at everything. It's to create a life that feels whole and authentic to you. We only have one life to live, so why not fill it with the things that excite you? Whether it's one thing or a million different things. Pursue what brings you joy. Your journey is uniquely yours, and there's no right or wrong way to live it. So, if you're ready to embrace all your passions and live a life true to yourself, you're in the right place. I'm here to share my journey with you, the ups, the downs, and everything in between. Together, let's celebrate the beauty of being multi-passionate. This channel is all about living fully, embracing creativity, and finding joy in the everyday. If that sounds like something you're into, hit that subscribe button and join our community. I can't wait to see what we create together.